Welcome back. The question is state with reason whether the following algebraic operations with scalar and vector physical quantities are meaningful. Let us go through one by one. So the first is adding two scalars. It is meaningful if the two have same unit or both represent same physical quantity. Adding a scalar to a vector of the same dimensions. Adding a scalar to a vector of the same dimensions is meaningless as vector quantity has associated direction with it. Multiplying any vector by any scalar. Multiplication is meaningful as it just increases the magnitude of the vector quantity and direction remains the same. Multiplying any two scalars. Of course, it makes sense. This is because if we have two different physical quantity, then their units will also get multiplied, right? Adding any two vectors. It is also meaningful if they represent the same physical quantity. This is because their magnitude will get added and direction will remain the same. Adding a component of vector to the same vector is meaningful as it represents the same case of adding vectors with same dimensions. In these, the magnitude of the resultant vector will increase and the direction will remain the same.